The Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, that is the RSS, has said that it remains cautious about the caste census survey being used as a political tool, according to the sources. Also, the Sangh has not officially reacted to the Union government's decision to conduct a caste-based enumeration along with the decadal census. Also, the RSS has been traditionally opposed to the divisions and segregation on the basis of caste, but has taken a position that the issues such as the subcategorization and the introduction of a creamy layer within the quotas for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe should be carried out after consultation and the consistent building with the stakeholders. Also, the Union government is also the decisions that is conducting the caste census survey came after a day when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat at the former's official residence. The Sangh, which has been driving the Samajik Samarashtra or the social harmony campaign to unify the Hindu society, has previously said that the issue of caste enumeration should be perceived as a political agenda. Addressing the media in the Kerala Palakkad in the September last year, the Sangh chief spokesperson Sunil Ambekar said that the caste relation are sensitive issues and important for the national unity and integration. So it should be dealt with very sensitively and not based on election or electoral politics, he said. In response to the question on the demand for the caste census, Ambekar then said that the RSS feels that for all the welfare activities, particularly those for the communities or caste which are lagging and which need special attention, if the government needs the number, it is a well-established practice. Earlier, such data was collected, but it should be done only for the welfare of those communities and caste. It should not be used as a political tool for elections. The RSS clarified that it had no objection to the collection of the caste data, provided it used for the public welfare and not for the divisive political electoral agendas. This statement is now being viewed as the crucial green light that enabled the Narendra Modi government to move forward without facing ideological backlash from its core support base. With the both Bihar ground level implementation and the RSS national level backing, the caste census now appears set to redefine the terms of India's socio-economic and political policy as well as electoral discourse. For the country still grappling with the realities of the social justice, representation and economic equity, this exercise could potentially provide the empirical foundation that the policymakers, financial and the welfare planners and the political leaders have long lacked. As the government prepares to embark on the massive data exercise, one thing seems clear, that is the politics of caste is entering a new phase and driven by the numbers, not just by the narratives.